Hello adventurers, welcome back to a TMR Tours. Ryan here with your food to try at Epcot Arts Festival in 2019. This is only the third year of this festival, and although it is newer, it is getting better and better every year. First up on our list here at food to try at the Arts Festival is over at the Taste Track, which is by the exit of Test Track by the Cool Wash Frozen Coke Station. So what we want to share here are the amazing colored Paintbrush churros. Now it is just a churro with white chocolate, but they are delicious. And also at this stand you can get the lobster bacon mac and cheese, another favorite if you like a more savory dish. Next up at the Odyssey Festival Showplace right across the bridge is a lot of different foods to try at the Painter's Palette. Now one of the things that's featured here is the Popped Art, and you will see them preparing all kinds of dishes inside here, so it's a fun place to check out. But this Popped Art is a very clever dish. It's actually a sugar cookie filled with strawberry filling, and they'll do a little design on top, and they all vary and they're all unique, and that's really what makes them art. For your savory option here at the Painter's Palette, we have a delicious trio of hors d'oeuvres that you guys should definitely sample. It is a shrimp crostini, deviled egg, and truffled risotto. And let me tell you, these things are top notch. Now heading more around the World Showcase, we are going to go over to the Pop Eats booth. Lots of things to try here, and if you want that popped art and not have to go inside the Odyssey building, you can check it out here. But check out that layered frangipane. It looks delicious, guys. But really here, we're going to focus more on savory, and we are going to check out the chicken roulade. Made fresh and obviously looks like a piece of art. So Sous Vide chicken roulade, it has apple, sage, and some warm brie fondue. And also at this stand, they have the Popping Bubbles cocktail. So give that a try if you want to drink with a little bit of a savory option. Also here in the front end of the showcase is the Deconstructed dish, which is obviously a bunch of deconstructed food. So the deconstructed Reuben has been extremely popular, but we are going to take a look at some other things, one of them being the deconstructed strawberry cheesecake. So obviously the flavors of this are going to be amazing New York style cheesecake, fresh Florida strawberries. But one other thing we tried was the deconstructed BLT, which is pork belly, tomato jam, and a poached egg. It was really good. And also for the kids, non-alcoholic, is the Pop-Artsicle, which basically takes the form of a bomb pop. Another thing to check out in this area is the paint by numbers wall. Help add to the art right here at Epcot. Also, right in that area is the Decadent Delights. So one of the things we're going to try here is a beautiful piece of dessert. Now when I say beautiful piece, it is a piece of art, much like all the other foods, but this in particular looks amazing. It is the lemon blood orange tart, and look at it with the wall in the background. It looks fabulous. It is its own picture-esque piece of art. So if you are a fan of the sweet and sour tart-like flavors, you're going to want to check out the blood orange tart. Next up over in the Mexico Pavilion is the El Artistas Hambriento. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but we are going to check out the Sopas de Chilorio. Now this is a ancho chili pork dish, which basically is put on this fried corn dough. It was really tasty, really savory, almost like a taco, but an open-faced taco. Now continuing down the showcase into the China Pavilion, they have something really interesting here that we are going to feature at the Painted Panda. Now this isn't one of the main dishes, but the sugar paintings. They are a bit pricier, but they are limited quantity, so they will sell out quick during the day. They are spun live, and these are just pure sugar pieces of art that you can get here at the Arts Festival. Now heading over to Germany at Cuisine Classique, we are going to try something both savory and sweet. So this is the Saint-Honoré Tart. It's a caramel tart served with cream puffs and white chocolate, and also the red wine-braised beef short rib. So this has a parsnip puree, and it was extremely good. Little broccolini there. Guys, check these out if you're into some sweet and savory dishes. Heading over to Italy at L'Art de Mangiare, we have some more fabulous dishes. Now it's hard to keep saying that, but we've sampled a lot of great things here, and you can too. Just check them out all around the showcase. First up is the orange honey mousse with peaches and mint marjoram cream, really delicious, and the sweet and sour balsamic pork ribs with sweet potato fries. Great things to try here in Italy. Now over in America at the Artist Table Pavilion, a very popular place amongst locals and frequent Disney goers. But here we're going to try something special this year that is really amazing. Now the Seared Scallops were amazing with some chorizo and red peppers, but the sipping chocolate flight is what we're here to talk about. This was 3 different kinds of liquid chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, and dark chocolate. Guys, non-alcoholic, kid-friendly, these are definitely a must-try. Now over at the Takumi Table in Japan, we have another thing that was really interesting that caught our eye was the Sushi Donut. They are all handmade with salmon, tuna, shrimp, and avocado. As you can see, they're making them live on stage, and when they're done, they come out like a round donut. It is a sushi donut, exactly what it says. Now these are interesting. If you like sushi, give them a try. Let us know your thoughts on what you thought of the sushi donut in the comments below. We want to hear. And let us know about any of the other food you've seen or tried in this video. Finishing up in France at l'Art de la Cuisine Française, we're going to try the crème de brie en petit pain. This is creamy cheese brie soup in a bread bowl. What could you ask for more? This is a delicious option. You can pull the bread, dip it in the cheese, share it with a friend. It is absolutely delicious. And if you want more cheesy bread bowls, you can check out our video from Disneyland, clam chowder in a Boudin Bakery bread bowl. Really delicious. Well, that's going to wrap up our tour of the Epcot Arts Festival Food to Try. Have you tried any of these? Do you want to try some of them? Are you going to get there? Let us know in the comments below. We want to hear from you. Also, check out our friend Lou Baca. He was there not too long ago doing some fun around the Arts Festival. So guys, that's going to wrap it up. If you enjoyed these tips, if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for notifications when new videos are released. A very special thank you and shout out to Disney Belle for helping with some of this footage. Go check her stuff out on her channel, and you're going to see more of her on TMR Tours.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world.
Congaloosh.